Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought we would do more of a casual vlog style video. I haven't done one of these in so long. I'm like not used to holding my arm out like this, but I have so many little home updates to share with you. I really want to keep you in the loop of all the changes that we're making around here. So I think this is the best way to do that. Today's video is actually sponsored by ModC, and I am thrilled to be working with ModC. I'm super excited to share with you the services they provide because I know you guys will love it and you'll appreciate it, and I know a ton of you guys will definitely want to use it. It's just the best design service for anybody that needs to figure out new layouts for their space. They want to redecorate, they want to totally refurnish their space. This is such an easy way of doing it. ModC creates these really realistic 3D renderings of your exact space. All you have to do is send them in kind of like a really simple floor plan. So I just drew this up, marked it up with pen, showing where the doors and windows were, put measurements in so that everything's correct. You go through and do a style quiz, and that's the really fun part where you go and select photos that really speak to you, styles that speak to you. You even go through and pick out different furniture that you like and you don't like, just so ModC designers can figure out what style is gonna really work for you and your personality. So I'm really excited for you guys to see what's gonna happen to this space in the big reveal video. I had so much fun going back and forth with the ModC designers on this whole room because I really want to get a specific look, and it's really cool when you work with a designer. They suggest things and you can kind of pick alternatives to it that are around the same price point, the same color. So it's a really fun process of kind of going through your renderings, swapping items out, and then they literally show up at your door. Like, that's the next step here. I already have boxes waiting downstairs. I'll show you guys a little sneak peek. I have 2 items over there. I have more boxes in here. I tend to shop at the same stores. I feel like you guys see me shopping around all the time at the same places, but it's really cool because when you work with ModC on your design, they actually work with retailers like West Elm and Pottery Barn and CB2 and all these stores that I don't normally go into all the time, and you get designer discounts on their products when you shop them. So it's probably the best way of getting the nicest furniture, the nicest layouts, and the best looking house. So I am really excited to share with you guys the entire process of changing up this main floor. We kind of cut the ModC design off here, so they're doing kind of the dining room, living room, and then I'm gonna switch up these bar stools. I wanted to go for a different look over here, so that's going to be changing as well. So if you guys also need some design help at your house, I'll leave the link to ModC down below in the description box so you guys can check it out yourself. If you use my discount code KRISTENM, I can get you guys 20% off of your package, not including the luxe package. Also, just a little life update. I just got back from Morocco and it was amazing. Oh my gosh, if you guys love decor, which I'm assuming you do since you're watching this channel, you need to go to Morocco because their markets are filled with the most beautiful home decor pieces. Like, I wish I could have taken everything. I should have brought an extra suitcase to take home Moroccan finds, but I did end up getting this Moroccan rug. Guys, this is real wool. It's super soft. Oh my goodness, we found this in a market. I'll show you guys it on the floor. I somehow fit this into my carry-on suitcase. I folded it up and look how amazing this is. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. I also realized that traditional Moroccan rugs only have fringe on one end, and then this end doesn't have them. And I realized all the rugs there were the same because they were hanging them from the walls. So this would be kind of where you hang it, and then it would hang long and have the fringe at the bottom. So that was something new I learned. I didn't really realize that, but I love this rug. I'm just trying to figure out where I should put it. I'm either thinking, since this rug is changing, I might put it here at this door, that, and then it leads out into like more Moroccan stuff. Oh, it's such a mess out there because it was so windy. I think that's really cute, and it's actually gonna look good with all of the new stuff coming. So here are the old stools. We're probably gonna keep them just for extra seating. We'll like stack them and put them in the pantry. And this was the new one I picked up. See what I mean? Modern, rustic. I feel like it's perfect, except it's way too tall. This is a counter height island, and that stool is definitely a bar height stool. It's even taller than these ones, and I already thought that these ones were too tall for the island. So I think this is kind of a problem. When you sit, you only have this much room between your leg and the counter. So if you guys are ever ordering stools for your kitchen, just make sure you guys get the right size, because then you won't have to deal with all this back and forth and returning. But I really do love the style of these. They're really sturdy, and they were only $49.99 each from Ross. So that's kind of why I picked them up, because I don't think I've ever seen a bar stool that affordable. So I wish that was gonna work, but I'm gonna have to go return those right now and get $100 back, which is great. All right, that was a success. I got the bar stools returned. I got all my money back. That makes me feel good. I just hate returning things. Like, I get so nervous every time they're like, what's wrong with it? You know, I feel like they like interrogate you because they don't want you to return it. And I'm like, there's nothing wrong with it. It just doesn't fit in my house. Ah. I just picked up this vanilla iced coffee from Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, and I don't normally go here, but this is so good. The flavoring they use, like if you ask for vanilla, it's like powdered French vanilla, and it's so good. So much better than like the syrup vanilla. And I got it made with oat milk, and it's Oatly oat milk. And I've heard so much about Oatly, and I've never bought it before, but having it in this coffee, it tastes so good. So I think I might switch to oat milk now instead of almond milk. I don't really know, but let's get back. I have a little DIY project to do once we get home with this lamp that I've had for a while and some paint. So let's go ahead and we'll start that DIY. All right, so here is the lamp that we're gonna be DIYing. You guys might remember this lamp. I've had it for a while, but it's just too gold. I don't really want any more gold in here, and I think it would look a lot more dynamic if I painted the base of it black. So I think that's the plan. I only really have this much paint, and it's a giant lamp. So I'm hoping this is gonna work. It's just acrylic paint. It's like all I have. I didn't really want to do anything too crazy. Got a paintbrush. Hopefully this is really simple, but I wanted to put this lamp in the new design for this living room because I need kind of like soft lighting over here. It's gonna go in this corner. So I think it's gonna look really nice with all the new stuff that's coming in, and I thought might as well not buy a new lamp and just use what I have. This was laying around not being used anyway, so I think once it's painted, I'll like it a lot more. And it's just a really easy way of upcycling things you already have. So I'm gonna take this shade off just to protect it. And I think I'll have to paint this top part as well, unless I keep that gold, but I'll probably paint that black. I've never done this before, but I just think it's gonna be super simple because like how could painting this be hard? So yeah, I think this is all I really have to do. Maybe I'll wipe it off just in case it's dusty. I don't even mind if it's not perfect because it could look cool if you see some of the gold coming through it. It might come off as kind of like distressed looking. But yeah, I really do like how big and substantial this lamp is. It's just the gold really hasn't been working for me lately, so I haven't put this lamp out and I think it's going to waste. So might as well give it a second life and paint this bad boy. Ooh. Wow, okay, acrylic paint is definitely gonna cover this whole thing, even with this tiny bottle. This looks so cool black. Oh my gosh, way better. I just finished painting the entire lamp. I'm gonna let it dry, but I can already tell that it's drying really matte, which I love. It kind of makes it look more like ceramic and, you know, like stone-like. I love it. It looks a lot more minimalist, and I'm really liking the way this is looking. And that was super easy. I cannot believe how quickly that covered, and I didn't even use all the paint at all. I probably used like 2 squirts of this to cover this entire lamp. Ooh, this looks so good. Way better. Way better. This is like a brand new lamp now. It actually gives off kind of like this matte, kind of dusty black color, and I think that makes it look so cool. It really makes it look like a stone lampshade. I would have bought this if I found it black like that. This is amazing. Now I've successfully added a new piece to this living room without having to buy something. I haven't put this on yet because it's still drying, but with the little black top, it's gonna finish it all off. If you guys have any lamps, to paint at your place, definitely go ahead and try that out. It worked really well with just acrylic paint, so I don't think you have to do anything too crazy. It's also really fun to do this with thrift store lamps because a lot of them are kind of in crazy weird colors that are really dated. So just painting the lampstand makes it look so much more modern and way better and totally suit your design. Oh, and speaking of black accents, I actually have a few new things to share with you guys as well. For the redesign, everything is for the redesign because I'm so excited. I've just been like gathering a bunch of stuff to get it all ready. And yeah, so anyways, I got new pillowcases or pillow covers for my throw pillows because I don't want to just throw away my pillows because they don't match. So I got new pillow covers and I ordered them off Amazon. I'll just lay them out on the floor so I can show you guys what they look like together. But I got all 6 of these pillowcases from Amazon. It came in a pack of 6 for $29.99, I think. And they kind of mimic that African mudcloth pattern, which I really love. It's more of like a printed pattern, so it's nothing like too real looking, but you still get the same look. I love that they threw in kind of like a faux leather here. I don't really know how long this is gonna last because the cats really pluck on leather, so we'll see about that. You better not touch it. These are also, I think like what, 18 inches by 18 inches. So they're pretty universal. I can fit a lot of the pillows that I already have on the couch inside of here. So I don't have to buy all new ones. I can just kind of like, you know, resuit them up. So I'll show you guys how easy this is to get a brand new look. This pillow is from the old house and I went for like a gold vibe. You guys saw with the lamps, the mirror, things were gold. So now that's not working here. Instead of buying a brand new pillow, that would be such a waste. I'm just gonna cover it with one of these pillow covers. I love this idea because so many of us have those like $5 IKEA pillows that are just like that square filler pillow, and this is such an easy way of like dressing it up and making them look a lot more custom. So that fits exactly. Just zip it up. And there we go. Oh my gosh, brand new pillow. I'm so excited. No more gold. This is gonna match the vibe so much better. So I just filled all of these pillows and now I have a brand new collection of pillows. They look amazing, minus the wrinkles. We'll deal with that later. But this is the new vibe, guys. What do you think? Off of this, you can tell what the downstairs is gonna look like when it's done. So I hope you guys are liking the direction I'm going in. I'm really loving it. So I'm super excited for you guys to see the big reveal very, very soon. Wow, it's only 4:15 and the sun is already going down. Like the sunset is happening right now. It's getting dark in here. All the lights have to be on. I hate this. I hate when it gets dark so early. But anyways, Christian's still out at a meeting. I thought he'd be back sooner than this. I was gonna make dinner, but since I might just be on my own, I think I'm gonna grab something really easy and simple. I have these really good pasta salads from Trader Joe's. I have to show you guys them. So good. I should have bought like a week's worth because I could eat these every day. That would probably be unhealthy, but they're so good. This one is Mediterranean style orzo pasta salad. Guys, oh my gosh, feta cheese, onion, olives, like spinach, everything is so good. That tastes amazing. I had that one yesterday, I think. And then this lemon basil one, this one's good as well. It has bow tie pasta and basil, lemon, Parmesan, I don't really know what else. Peas, I think. If you guys haven't tried this, you definitely need to. Look at Stu begging for food. No. He's such a dog. You're just a cat, Stu. I already ate the entire thing anyways. He wouldn't even like it. He loves chicken. I can't say it too loud or else he'll freak out, but he literally begs us for that every day. Stu, you can't have people food anymore. Okay? You're too spoiled. You're too spoiled. So funny. Before it gets too late, I'm just gonna head out to Home Goods really quickly to check for some Christmas decor. I really want to start decorating this place either before or after the room makeover, so I haven't really decided yet, but I really want it to go with all of the new stuff that's coming in here. So I kind of want to like find some garland to go up and down the stairs here, you know, stuff for the Christmas tree, and I feel like Home Goods has so much stuff. So I'm just gonna head out and see if there's anything good there. I love going to Home Goods. It's like one of my favorite pastimes. Even if I don't find anything, I love wandering the store, checking out the new styles, seeing what's there. You know, it's something you always have to go back to because the store is constantly changing. So I'm gonna go back right now. So come along and join me for some Christmas shopping. back from HomeGoods. I just want to go to sleep now. I didn't find anything, and usually I go to HomeGoods and find at least something, but the store was so overwhelmingly packed with Christmas stuff that I didn't even know where to start, and it was just too late at that point, and I didn't have any inspiration on what direction I wanted to go in, so I kind of gave up on that. Maybe if the store was like a little more organized and had less things, I would have like chosen specific items, but that was like hectic. So anyways, I just have some laundry to do and then I'm going straight to sleep. I'm so tired, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys want to see more vlog style videos, definitely let me know down below and I can film those. I have so many little side things I like to do that sometimes don't make it into videos, so let me know if you want to see more like behind the scenes vlog style content. If you enjoyed watching today's video, definitely give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel. I can't wait to show you guys the full transformation of the main floor. So you guys have to be subscribed and have to have your notifications on so you don't miss that. I want all of you guys to see how great it's gonna look. I'm super excited. I feel like it's finally time to make a big change down there. Let me know down below if you guys are excited to see the full room transformation, if there's any suggestions you guys have, if you guys are excited for the style that's coming. It's gonna be so good. So let me know all your thoughts down below and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!